In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of black bars in stretch res or stretched resolution. So in case you're having black bars, let's say at the bottom and top, left, right, or maybe even bottom and right or left, here's how we can fix this quite easily. First, you want to go down here to your search bar inside your Windows and type in display settings. There we go. And you want to open up display settings. And in here, inside settings, you should have one or two monitors. So in case you have two screens, two monitors, so one of your computer or laptop, and the second one, which is the one extra. In case you have two, just pick the one where your issue is going on. So for me, it's on screen 2, but if you only have one screen and that's the only one that you have the issue on, of course, you're going to do this for your only screen. Now for me, as I said, it's the screen 2. Once you've selected your screen, go down and scroll down to the very bottom until you can see related settings and it says advanced display. Now you want to click on this, and over here you want to press display adapter properties for display 2 or 1 or whatever it says. Just click on this over here. This will open up this kind of pop-up window, and what you want to do is go to the second tab which says monitor. In here it will say monitor settings, screen refresh rate. Simply click on whatever it says. So for me it's 60 Hertz, and make sure you put it to higher Hertz. So if you have 60, put it to 75, or if you have anything above that, maybe 90, 120, whatever you might have, simply click on that and then press apply and OK. So once you've done this, your screen will kind of flash black and then go back to normal, and once that's done, you'll basically see that your issue has hopefully been fixed, and for most monitors and most computers, this will actually resolve your issue. So once you've done that, you can simply exit this and then go back to using your computer, whatever you were doing with it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.